Great. Well, thank you all very much. We have reached that point in our two-day SHI annual meeting for a closing. But you know, I just don't want anybody to feel left out. So I had one more PowerPoint. It only has 60 slides on it. So I thought over the next hour, don't worry, I'm just kidding. No, for us to close this out, one of the first things I want to do is thank all of our sponsors. I want to thank all of our speakers and moderators, all these folks giving all their time, their treasure to help make this happen. And I also really want to thank all of the Soil Health Institute staff. Of course, many of them were giving presentations, but also many of them were not. Many of them have been working the phones, bringing in sponsorships, all types of things. And so I really want to acknowledge them. Also, the Signature Agency for providing a lot of communications expertise for us, and particularly to FountainWorks, who has really been providing very professional, very effective management for the virtual meeting. If you've liked the way that it's gone, then it's because of our friends at FountainWorks. They really help manage all this for us. It's been meeting with them several times a week for over the last few months and preparing for this. And so there's a lot of planning effort that goes into it. So we really, really appreciate all their expertise and guidance throughout that whole process. As a reminder, those of you who are looking to get CEU credits, when we close out here in a couple minutes, for about 10 minutes, the QR code will show up. And so you'll need to scan that so you can get the credits that you're deserving. I want to also remind you that we are going to send out a survey after our meeting and ask, please, each of you, please take a few moments to answer that so that we can improve next year. Also remind you that their presentations, all but one, were recorded, and those are going to be on the SHI YouTube channel quite soon, probably next week. Don't hold me to that. We'll get to them as soon as we can. Let me see. I want to thank every one of you for taking time out of your schedules, participating. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope it's been good for you. And I guess I also a little bit more on a personal note. These are challenging times, troubling times. We all have a lot of good work that needs to be done. So we need to keep all of you healthy. And so please take every precaution to keep you, your family, your loved ones, everyone you know and work with, please keep one another healthy. And please go forth, Godspeed, and thank you very much for your participation.